Now we are going to say about offer and acceptance. Offer or proposal is the starting point in the formation of any type of contract. Section 2 of A defines proposal as when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of that other. So, such that or abstinence is called as offer. What is the meaning of proposal? Section 2A of the Act defines proposal as when one person signifies to another his willingness to do or abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of that other to such act or abstinence. And he said to make a proposal. Proposal is same as offer under English law of contract. It is the first step in formation of contract. The person making the proposal is called offerer. For example, when Mr. A offers to sell his watch to Mr. B for ₹1,000. So this is called as proposal. And here there are one person, that is Mr. A, is called as offerer. The person, then another person, Mr. B, is called as offeree. So the person who is going to create the proposal, okay, they are called as offerer. Who is going to accept the proposal, we can call it as offeree. Section 2 of A reveals three essential elements in an offer. The first one, expression of willingness to do or not to do something. Second one, made to another person. That is, a person cannot make an offer to himself. Third one, with the object of gaining the consent of the other person to such act. The person making the proposal is called the proposer or offerer, and the person to whom the proposal is made is called the offeree. Let's say what are the different kinds of offer is there. Offer can be classified on the basis of how an offer is made. Second one, to whom an offer is made. So how you are going to make the offer? Based on that, we have express offer. Second one, implied offer. To whom you are going to make the offer? Based on that, we have general offer and specific offer. So an express offer is one which may be made by words, spoken or written. If A offers to sell his pen to B for ₹20, it is an express offer. An implied offer is one which may be gathered from the conduct of the party or the circumstances of the case. Thus, where a person goes to a doctor for treatment, his conduct implies an offer that if the treatment is given, then it is implied to pay the consulting charges. A specific offer can usually be accepted only by the person to whom it is made. When an offer is addressed to the public at large, is called as general offer. Essentials of a valid offer. The terms of an offer must be clear and certain. Offer may be expressed or implied. That means that whether it may be orally told or in the form of written or by the act or conduct of parties. The offer must be communicated to the offeree. An offer must be made with an intention of creating the legal obligations. Offer may be the conditional. Offer must be made with a view to obtaining the asset of the other party. Invitation to an offer is not an offer. Offer may be specific or general. Offer should not contain a compliance term of which would amount to acceptance. When does an offer comes to an end? Or revocation of offer or lapse of offer. Section 6 of the Contract Act deals with various modes of revocation of an offer. The revocation by communication of notice, as per the Section 6 of subsection 1, by lapse of time, that is Section 6 of subsection 2, or death or insanity of an offerer. Non-fulfillment of prerequisite conditions by counter offer. Offer not accepted according to the mode prescribed. The next one, acceptance. Section 2 of B of the Indian Contract Act defines acceptance as when a person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto. The proposal is said to be accepted. A proposal, when accepted, it becomes a promise. The person making the proposal is called the promiser, and the person accepting the proposal is called promisee. So what are the various essentials for the valid acceptance? The acceptance must be absolute, that is, should be incomplete and unconditional. It must be given in a prescribed mode or the manner. And time of acceptance. And acceptance must be communicated. Acceptance may be expressed or implied. Acceptance must be made before offer is revoked. Acceptance must be made by the offering. Acceptance is not implied from silence of the party. And the communication of offer and acceptance tells, as per the Section 3 of Indian Contract Act, that any type of communication of proposal, the acceptance of proposal, the revocation of proposal, and acceptance respectively are deemed to be made by any act or omission of the party proposing, accepting, or revoking by which he intends to communicate such proposal, acceptance, or revocation, or which has the effect of communicating it. Thus, communication of offer and acceptance is necessary for forming any type of contract. For example, A proposes by a letter to sell a car to Mr. B at a specified amount, and Mr. B accepts Mr. A's proposal by letter sent by post. Here, the communication of acceptance is complete as against Mr. A when the letter is posted, and as against Mr. B when the letter is received by Mr. A.